I'm scared. I'm crazy. I'm literally wearing heels. I'm on the waterfall. Yay! I'm on the rock.
I guess it's your new look.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Estelle and welcome to my Korea vlog. Today is our first day in Jeju. Yay! Our first official day at least. This is my OOTD. Good morning. Today we're going to the waterfalls. I think we're going to hit Jeong first. But first of all, we're going to go to our car and we might eat breakfast first. Yay! My first time staying in Yao's car. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay, that's all you get. That's all you get. Stop driving already. Peter, let's see what they see.
Can we squeeze through?
Yes. Okay, break it today. Woohoo. We booked this car from Tamra Rental and we didn't notice it had a sunroof. It was so cute. Then we got a sunroof.
Cute.
Me and Ji were total passenger preset, just eating our breakfast while Billy was driving. And then Nick was navigating. We just arrived at Jeongmun Waterfall. Very early in the morning, so there's nobody here. Wow, look at this huge map. Jeongmun Waterfall. The Castle of Shell. Someone's riding a horse. Horsey. We're going to the waterfall. We were going to Jeongmun Waterfall because the official Jeongmun Waterfall wasn't open yet because we were a bit early and this one was free, but it was a bit smaller. And this was already so amazing. And then we headed to our next waterfall. We're getting tickets. Jeongmun Waterfall. We're inside Jeongmun after paying about $1 for youth and $2 for adults. You can see here. Not me in heels. It's just a mini short walk down to the waterfall. Rainbow. Wow. I'm crazy. I'm literally wearing heels. I'm on the waterfall! Yay! It's so beautiful! You can see everyone around us. I'm on the waterfall! Ta-da! We are back on the car and we're going to Olle market. Yay! So cool, they can check your pass.
I think then this one is the credit card.
This is your card. Yay! You're in the market! In the market, it's coming about like 10 plus. It's early though. Most of the stuff aren't really open. This was a really good place to get some authentic Jeju snacks such as oranges and chocolate peanuts. Got my Manix from this store. Yay! These are so cute. Like, look at this Manix I got. Look at this bag. Oh my gosh. This was also a seafood market where they sold really fresh seafood here. And we had to try the tanghulu oranges.
It's frozen.
Good.
It's frozen.
So good. And there was this flaming lobster that Weeds wanted to try as well. Oh my gosh. The lobster is getting fiery. I love it. I'm paying for a show I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, everyone's like videoing so. Wow, it's really done. It's really done. Lobster. That lobster for breakfast.
Oh, the egg. Look at the skin inside.
Wow. Look at that steam. Whoa. For lunch, we went to try their Cutlass fish. It was called Negeori restaurant and it was really yummy and delicious as well.
Fish, I love fish.
You could have it grilled or in a soup. I miss Korean banchan. This was also a banchan. This was the Cutlass soup and it was only 15,000 won with Korean mixed green rice. And this was the group version that my friends really liked a lot. It was 80,000 won.
After lunch at the Negeori place, we are finally at Cheonjiyeon Waterfalls. We just parked. It's quite a big parking here, quite nice. And we're going up to go to the waterfall. Oh, ticketing machine. We gotta take it. Yay. So pretty. Wow. We are going to Cheonjiyeon Falls. It's really pretty here. Very nice lake, you can see. Ta-da! Wow, it's crazy. The flowers are so pretty. Oh my gosh! Wow! There's a man on top of the waterfall. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's like filming it or something. Guys, we actually walked into a market.
What?
I'm so confused. Like, there's no tourists here. It's just like locals. Like, I'm so confused.
So guys, basically do not go to Jungmun 5-day market, okay? Do not. It was literally an actual wet market. We do not recommend. So we continued on our merry way.
We were actually supposed to go to another place, but then we end up in this random place called Gaetkkak Columnar joints, which is pretty nice though. Like, it's just really like inhabited. Like, you can actually walk down. So I'm going to try to walk down here now.
This was a total random find on Google Maps, but we really enjoyed this place. We just stand here, looking at the beach, walking through the rocks, and just enjoying and relaxing ourselves.
I'm on the rocks. Inside the little car.
And we were off again.
We are at Jusangjeollidae or something. I don't know, but we just parked. Okay, we're gonna walk now. Bye! Once again, we have to pay. Lol. Wow, this one's so pretty. Okay. So many of these, like, it's so Tetris around. It's so cute.
I would say this attraction actually had the most tourists.
You toss your money here, lol.
So cute, a little doggo.
I love my ice cream.
Wow! Taste test time.
Can I get it too?
It's like orange and coke.
So good. Oh, I love the sauce. I love the sauce.
Maybe more.
More. Yummy.
Same boat.
Wow.
And I have to say, Jeju is really good for its seafood. So my friends really wanted to try the seafood soup here, and we headed down to a restaurant that was selling tang, which had raw octopus.
We're here for dinner at this seafood place. See over here.
I swear it really feels like they just caught it from the sea and just presented it to you like this. Can you see the live abalone squirming? That is mad.
Oh.
Later.
You can eat further.
Oh.
Everything else.
Everything.
The Koreans knew how to eat it, but obviously we didn't, so this ajusi was very nice to help us cut everything. Time for the live octopus. Oh my gosh. Goodbye. There's also a cooked option for those that don't want the cooked seafood soup.
dinner. The sunset is so nice. Wow, they give us this for free.
Jeju sunset hits different. Like dang, look at that. It's literally from a movie, bruh. My haul for today. Just came back and today I didn't really buy a lot of Seoul. I actually got this mat neck for 3,001, so pretty. And then this one, orange mat neck, so cute. And it's a little totem thing from the Jeju Tower. This was about 6,000 so. And also a little like tumbler with a little diving person for beads also. This was around 20,000. Today for souvenirs only spent around like 29,000.
Mask night.
And Jay and I wanted to try this tea tree mask that we got for Olive Young on the first day. Is it white? Oh yeah, it is white. Oh,
Wow.
Never mind.
it looks like alginate. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, it's literally alginate.
Just mix like
Yeah.
alginate or no, just stir.
Is it thick? And it was time to slather on the bad boy.
Eee, why so thick? Oh my god. It's like,
It's too thick.
it's damn cool. It's damn cool, but it's damn good. But thicker easier, right? Because thicker can peel.
Yeah, I scared too thin it will start dropping out your face. Okay, the consistency is just nice.
Very cool eh.
Oh my god.
Right, very cool eh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, this is the guys that have a shock of their life. Hey, what are you talking about?
Just nice 2 people can use.
Yeah. Who's so freaking cute to use the whole thing? Yeah, can I put my eyebrows?
Huh?
What? No.
I suggest not.
Is it I want to rip out her? Sweet. Oh my god, I want to kill
Why you
myself.
need your turn?
Look at their eyes, look at them.
Oh my god, what happened?
Oh, yours is damn neat eh. Look at yours. That's professional neat.
I can't see some more, bro.
Look at you're blind, I forgot. No, you're blind.
One eternity later.
I'm holding the whole thing.
What?
I forgot. It's like poop.
Ungko ya? Ungko da ne? Ungko mitai.
Time to remove it.
Oh. Nobody told us it was going to be so unglamorous to unmask on screen.
You're laughing like a golem.
No, that's why you need to put it.
Famous last words.
Oh my god.
I can't. My hair's falling off. I think our eyebrows gonna come off.
Bro, look at this.
How's it done? Wow. Okay, put on side, okay.
Oh my god.
Hey, this one came out quite nicely. What would you? I think someone laughed too much.
No, it doesn't come off my face, guys.
Okay, this is your move.
Okay.
This is you.
Guys,
You're supposed to be now.
you can't come on.
He damn bad.
This is what strike felt like. So as you guys can see, Jui is almost done with her face, but I'm not even halfway done with mine. So guys, put on a thicker layer and do not put it on your eyebrows. Okay, do not put it on your eyebrows. What was I thinking? Oh, you got nice here, guys. You guys want it?
Oh hell no!
Okay, but for reals, guys, like Loki, I was really stressed because it wasn't coming on my face and it was coming off so slowly. I thought it was gonna be stuck on my face forever. But I definitely had fun eating spaghetti on the floor like a little rat. I can't believe this is the last scene I'm gonna end with, but I hope you guys enjoyed this very fun vlog and see you guys on the next vlog in Jeju. We're going to Seongsan Ichibong. Bye!